Hey everyone, if you're dealing with the pesky 5E error code on your Samsung refrigerator, you're not alone, and you're in the right place. This error can be a real headache, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is the 5E error code? In Samsung refrigerators, it typically signals an issue with the ice maker or water supply system. This could mean problems with ice production, water flow, or even the dispenser, and it's often related to the 2025 model's advanced sensors. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The top culprits include a clogged or outdated water filter, frozen water lines, a malfunctioning ice maker sensor, or blockages in the water inlet valve. Environmental factors like low water pressure or hard water buildup can also play a role, so it's worth checking your home's water supply. Alright, time for the solutions. Start with the easiest fix. Replace the water filter. Samsung recommends doing this every 6 months, so grab a compatible one and install it following the user manual. Next, inspect the water supply line for any kinks, freezes, or leaks. Thaw it out if needed and ensure it's securely connected. If that doesn't resolve it, try resetting the ice maker. Unplug your refrigerator for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and wait for it to restart. This often clears temporary glitches. For more stubborn issues, check the ice maker assembly for visible damage or jams, but if you're unsure, it's best to call a certified technician to avoid voiding your warranty. There you have it. Simple steps to banish that 5E error and get your fridge humming again. Remember, always prioritize safety by unplugging the appliance before any troubleshooting. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.